Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be unboxing a recent Dior sale purchase with you guys. But before I get straight into the unboxing video, I just want to say, if you're new here, hello, my name is Marie and I'm so excited that you tuned in. I film new videos each week, especially about luxury, so if you are into luxury too, it would mean so much to me if you would consider subscribing, because I would love to have you back. So guys, let's get straight into the unboxing, because I'm really excited to share with you what I got from Dior. And in the back you can already see the beautiful Dior packaging. Isn't this bag so beautiful? I think they really outdid themselves. It's so beautiful, and I don't know if you noticed, but I really collect these paper designer bags. So I'm so grateful because my SA really remembered and she gave me 2 other sizes of the bag too. So she got me a little one and a big one too, and I think it's just such a nice addition because she really remembered that I collect these, and I was just so happy to receive them because it just means so much to me to have them. I have such a huge collection of these paper designer bags, which is just crazy, but I can't throw them away, and some of them are just so beautiful. So I was really happy that she gifted me 2 other sizes. But let's get straight into the unboxing, because I think I got something really beautiful and something that I actually already tried on in another color, but when I tried them on I was really unsure. But when I saw that this color was on sale, I just had to get them. And here you can see like the Dior paper, and it smells so good because they always put perfume on it, which is just so nice. And on the inside is the Dior box, but let me put the Dior paper box back. So here is the Dior box, and here you can see they wrapped it really nicely, and inside are some new shoes, and I really love them so much. So they actually gave me another box, so this is not the box from the shoes because the box they were originally in was a bit destroyed. But on the inside here you can see already the beautiful grey dust bags. I think the Dior dust bags are just so beautiful. And in here are my beautiful new Dior sneakers. Aren't these babies so beautiful? Let me pull them out so you can have a closer look at them. So guys, I quickly pulled out the sneakers so you can see them, and I got them in navy, as you can see, and you guys know I love blue. Blue is my favorite color and I have so many pieces in navy, so I just couldn't pass these up. I think they are just so beautiful. They have Dior written on here, and I really like the chunky sole, and I think they are just so comfortable. On the back you can see the little Christian Dior detailing, which is just so beautiful, and as you saw it is black on here and also black on here, and I think it is just such a perfect and beautiful sneaker. I did try to film a bit of the other shoes that they had on the sale while my SA went to pick up my size, and they had a lot of other shoes in the sale. Everything was 30% off, which is actually quite amazing I think for Dior. So they had these in navy, of course, in the sale, and also in burgundy. They had the burgundy ballerina flats in the sale too, and also a lot of other more colorful sneakers, and also a lot of boots, and they even had like the glittery boots in the sale, and I really liked them in black, but I tried them on and they aren't really comfortable, so I didn't get them, but I think they are beautiful, and to get them at 40% is just amazing. These normally retail for 650 euros, and I got them for 40% off, so they now cost me 390 euros, and I think it's just amazing. The black one will still be in their collection, so it's a really classy piece, and I was just so excited. I actually tried them on in black when I was in Monaco, and I was really debating to get them, but it just really didn't feel right. And when I saw that they came in the navy, and were also on sale. I just couldn't pass them up, and I'm so excited about these. They are just so comfy. You actually feel like you are walking on clouds, which is just amazing. And also, if you guys are interested in these, I just want to say that you really need to size down. Normally in Dior I am a size 36.5 and my normal size is 37, but in these I had to go down another half size, so these are now size 36 and now they fit me amazing. But size 36.5 was just a tad too big, so I'm really excited that they still had my size, and I love these so much. I think also if you have anything in the Dior oblique, I think these would go so nicely with it. I in general wear a lot of navy, so I really like them. I also have the navy diorama and I think they will look so nicely together and I can't wait to wear them. And in general I think these are just the perfect sneakers. I actually don't own any sock sneakers, so that's why I also was thinking like, okay, at 40% off I will definitely get them and I can't wait to wear them. I know that I will get so much wear out of them, especially on trips or something where I do a lot of walking, because they are just so comfortable and I already have so many outfits in my head that these will go with, so I'm super excited about this sale purchase. So that is it for this unboxing video. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing what I got in the Dior sale. They also had a lot of scarves in the sale too, but they were really bright and I personally didn't enjoy them at all, but they were all 40% off, and also a lot of clothing pieces from Dior were 40% off, but honestly nothing really spoke to me because most of them were just really plain and most of them were also pretty unstylish, to be honest. So I personally didn't enjoy any of these. This time they didn't even have any jewelry pieces in the sale, whereas last year I remember that they had a few jewelry pieces at 40% off, but this time they didn't have any. And also, in case you were interested, I just want to say that the bags at Dior are never on sale, so don't hope for a Dior sale because they never have the bags on sale at their boutiques. So guys, if you like Dior too, it would mean so much to me if you could give this video a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to consider subscribing because I make new videos each week and I would love to have you back. See you soon. Bye!